Good afternoon, student. For chapter number 9, ray optics, we already discussed the basic point of this chapter. Now, today's topic is the mirror formula and its derivative. How to calculate a mirror formula when a convex mirror and concave mirror forms virtual and real images. And the topic is mirror formula. Topic is mirror formula. Mirror formula. It is a mathematical. Mirror formula is a mathematical relationship in between object distance, image distance, and focal length, which is given by 1 upon u plus 1 upon v equal 1 upon f, where symbols have u equals to object distance, v equal image distance, f focal length of the mirror, whatever mirror we are used. Now, for the mirror formula, we write down the position in what are condition when we calculate the mirror formula. The condition for which we calculate mirror formula. First one, when concave mirror forms a real image. Second one, when concave mirror forms a virtual image. Third one, when this time convex mirror forms a virtual image. Now we adapt a first point regarding a mirror formula. Taking our first topic, when concave mirror forms a real image, then we draw ray diagram for this. We draw a concave mirror, then polish is outside or bubbling part. This is the principal axis and this is the point of P. P is a pole. Now consider an object is placed at a point. Object is B and A. First one, consider a parallel line to principal axis. When this line is parallel to principal axis, after reflection at point, after it passes from the focus of concave mirror, this point is considered as focus. Second one, again draw a rays which are going to the pole of the mirror, and in terms of pole of the mirror, when a rays incident of a pole of the mirror, it deviates at the same angle. And we draw about this is a EL. And the third one, a considered ray rays passes through the center of curvature. Then it goes from this point is considered center of curvature, and this is, and the rules is when a ray passes from the center of curvature, after reflection it retraces your own path. And this is the position of image for concave mirror when form a real image A dash B dash. This is a complete diagram, and this position is shown by, this position is image distance, and position of ये object distance represented by U, position of P represented by F, and position of C represented by a center of curvature. Then we write down our distances in terms of variable. Object distance, object distance BP equal minus KU. Image distance in terms of B dash and P, B dash P equals to minus KV. Focal length FP equals to minus KF, and radius of curvature CP equals to minus KR equals to minus K12, because we are considered in the opposite direction of light. Now we are taking a two similar triangle in above diagram. First one is now triangle A dash B dash C, similar triangle A B C. Then taking the ratio of height A dash B dash and AB equivalent आएगा. बेसिस A dash B dash A dash B dash इक्वलेंट बेसिस कितना आएगा, बेसिस का नीचे B dash C and in terms of triangle ABC equivalent BC, and B dash C can be written as PC minus K B dash P. B dash C can be written as PC minus K B dash C B dash P and BC as it is. Right, in terms of distance terms में PC it means value of radius of curvature minus K BP, B dash P equals to minus KB, minus minus plus, and BC BC write up in terms of BC BC की वैल्यू BC इक्वलेंट होगा BP माइनस के PC या CP. इन टर्म्स ऑफ डिस्टेंस टर्म्स में माइनस के R प्लस के V डिवाइड बाय माइनस के U. BP इक्वल्स टू माइनस U, PC माइनस माइनस पॉजिटिव R. इक्वेशन नंबर 1. Again taking a triangle in terms of A dash B dash P and AB P. Now triangle A dash B dash P similar triangle होगा A B and P के. Again we are taking the ratio of height, image height and object height, यानी A dash B dash divided by AB. Then we taking bases. Triangle A dash B dash P, base means B dash P and A dash ABP, so base is BP. Value of B dash P is can be written as above. B dash P equals to image distance, it means minus KV, and BP it can be written as minus KU. Equation number 2. Both the equations show the ratio of height in terms of triangle ABC and ABP. Now equivalent equation number 1 equal to equation number 2. what we find out? Minus kr plus v divided by minus ku plus r equivalent of minus kv divided by u or v divided by u. Taking cross product, minus kru plus k uv minus k uv plus k rv. Taking the value of one side uv and r in terms of another side, need 2 times of uv equals to rv plus ru. Divide both sides in terms of ru and v. Divide by ru and ruv both side. Then we find out 1 upon 2 divided by r equals to 1 upon u plus 1 upon v. As since r equals to 2f, then 1 upon f equals to 1 upon u plus 1 upon v, which is a mirror formula for concave mirror, hence proved. 1 upon f equals to 1 upon u plus 1 upon v, proved. First topic is completed when a concave mirror forms a real image. Now second condition, when a concave mirror forms a virtual image. When concave mirror forms a virtual image. And draw the diagram when a concave mirror forms virtual image. This is the position when the object is placed in between focus and pole. Then we draw a position for concave mirror. This is a concave mirror. Now the object is placed in between focus and pole. This is a pole, this is a focus, and this one is pole. Object position is in between focus and pole. Object height AB. Now first ray is parallel for the concave principal axis, then it is passes from the focus of the mirror. Second one is consider a ray which is passes from the center of curvature of the mirror. Then after reflection it retraces your own path, and this is backward direction. It is increases. In forward direction it is increases, then it is backward direction, intersect somewhere. Then it is drawn by dashed line which show that image is a virtual, which is shown by A dash and B dash. Then this is the object position represented by u. This is the image position which is represented by v. This is the focal length represented by f, and this is the center radius of curvature represented by r. Also write down there all object distances. Object distance BP equals to minus ku. Image distance B dash P V आ जाएगा. This one is this type is right side, that is considered is positive. Focal length FP, this one is minus KF, and radius of curvature. This one is CP equals to minus KR or minus K to F. Now again we consider two triangles. First one is ABC and similar triangle A dash B dash and C. Taking triangle A B C, similar triangle A dash B dash and C. Again we taking the ratio of height of object and height of distance or height of image. AB divided by A dash B dash with bases. In terms of ABC, it is equivalent to BC, and in terms of A dash B dash C, it is represented by CB dash. Now BC is written as BC. This value is written as B and C, PC minus K BP. BC is written as PC minus K BP, and C dash B, it can be written as CP plus BP dash. In terms of distances or length, BC is written as minus KR, radius of curvature. BP, it means object distance minus minus plus. CP, radius of curvature in minus KR, plus B dash P, it can be written as image distance which is positive. Equation number 1. And again taking a similar triangle, this one is M, similar triangle is MPF, similar triangle equivalent A dash B dash and F. Again we are taking the ratio of their heights. We are taking the ratio of their heights. This one is object distance, it is considered as MP divided by image distance A dash B dash, and base FP divided by F dash B. And since FP written as usual, and FB dash can be written as FP plus B PB dash, FP plus P आएगा, FP plus PB dash. In terms of symbols, FP equals to minus KF and FP equals to minus KF, and BP, it is written as V. And since MP parallel to AB, then it can be written as AB divided by A dash B dash, equivalent होगा minus KF plus KV. Equation number 2. Again from equation number 1 and 2. Equation 1 equivalent है equation 2 के, because we find the ratio of both triangle of image distance and height, image distance and object distance. Then again equation number 1, minus KR plus U divided by minus KR plus V, equivalent है minus KF divided by minus KF plus V. Substitute the value of R in terms of F. In R equals to 2F, यानी minus K 2F plus U divided by minus K 2F plus V equals to minus KF divided by minus KF plus K V. Cross multiplication in minus K 2F square minus K 2FV plus UV minus FU, equivalent हो minus K 2F square minus KFV. It can be cancel out by this one is cancel out, and this or next minus K 2FV plus KUV minus KFU minus KFV. नेगेटिव ट्रांसफर कर दीजिए ऑल द नेगेटिव वैल्यूज, यानी UV इक्वल्स टू माइनस KFV प्लस KFU प्लस के 2 टाइम्स ऑफ FB. sort out this fu plus fv and divide by this equation by f u and v by both side. Then this equation can be written as uv divided by uvf, uf divided by uvf plus fv divided by uv and sort out this 1 upon f equals to 1 upon u plus 1 upon v, which is a mirror formula when concave mirror forms a virtual image. Now the third condition is in terms of, now third topic is condition when convex mirror is used. Because convex mirrors always forms a virtual image, then we draw a diagram for this one for find out the mirror formula. This is a convex mirror, polish is inside and reflection taken is outside. Object is placed in front of the mirror, height of the object AB, a first one are raised parallel to the principal axis. For this, according to this, a rays is appears to diverge from focus. Then this is extend to focus. Second rays are taken a rays going towards the center of curvature. After reflection, it becomes it retraces your own path, and this one is C. And the one more is when a ray is incident on the pole of the mirror, it deviated at the same angle, and this one is pole. Now it is a object distance represented by u, it is a focal length represented by f, and this is the form is images a dash b dash represented by v, and this is represented by center curvature by r. Now we write down all the distances and symbols we can use. Object distance in terms of BP equals to minus KU. Image distance what? B dash P positive V, because in the direction of light. Focal length BF is also positive in the direction of light, and radius of curvature this one also is PC is positive, R equals to 2F. Now again we are taking a ratio of their height in similar triangle. Now taking a triangle A dash B dash C, similar triangle A B and C, then the ratio of A dash B dash divided by AB, A dash B dash C. So height A dash B dash divided by base, taking the bases B dash C in terms of triangle ABC, bases BC, put down in terms of given coordinate B dash C, it can be written as PC minus KP or B dash, and BC can be written as BP plus PC. In terms of value, PC equals to R, BP dash equals to image distance V, BP equals to object distance minus Q, PC equals to R. Equation number 1. Again we taking another similar triangle A dash B dash P, similar triangle A B P. Again taking the ratio of their height A dash B dash divided by AB, A dash B dash ABP A dash B dash P. इसे ज्वाइन कर लीजिए, ये ट्रायंगल कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. नाउ A dash B dash in terms of B dash P basis, and in terms of triangle ABC basis is BP. Write down coordinate terms. B dash P equals image distance and BP equals to object. Equation number 2. Both the equations shows ratio of their heights. Then equation number 1 equivalent to equation number 2. V divide by minus Ku equivalent R time R minus Kv divided by minus Ku plus R. Cross multiplication minus Kuv प्लस के वी आर इक्वलेंट होगा माइनस के यू आर प्लस के यू वी. ट्रांसफ़र कर दीजिए यू वी एक तरफ एंड आर टर्म वाले एक तरफ, तो हमारे पास वैल्यू कितनी आएगी, माइनस के पॉजिटिव यू आर प्लस के वी आर इक्वल टू 2 टाइम्स ऑफ यू वी. सिंस आर इक्वल्स टू आर इक्वल्स टू 2f, ये वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करिए. देन हमारे पास इक्वेशन में क्या आ जाएगी, देन वी आर टेकिंग राइट डाउन हियर 2 म्यू एफ प्लस 2vf इक्वल्स टू 2uv डिवाइड बाय 2uvf both side. Then equation is 2uf divided by 2uvf plus 2vf divided by 2uvf equals to 2uv divided by 2uvf, and this is similar to simplified 1 upon v 1 upon u equals to 1 upon f, which is a mirror formula. This is the condition when a convex form mirror form a virtual. This topic is completed. We are find all the mirror formula what with the conditions. First one is when convex mirror forms a virtual real image. Second one is convex concave mirror forms a virtual image. First one. Second one, concave mirror forms a real image. Third one, convex mirror forms a virtual image.